In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the augmented reality mobile app to track virtual cameras through your physical 3D space. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the app from either the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS. Now, it runs beautifully on iOS and Android devices, but it is worth noting that because most iOS devices in the Pro line do have LiDAR sensors, the AR tracking may be a little bit better. But it will work on Android devices as well, but just keep that in mind. So once you have the app open on your device, you can see that it says your local IP address, as well as letting you know that it's waiting for connection from the SceneForge desktop application. Now, to actually make the connection, you're going to want to open up the devices menu up here. And you can see we have two options, one for OSC, to be able to send commands to SceneForge from other devices, but the focus here is the mobile app connection. Now, you want to make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and you can enter the IP address displayed on your phone or tablet, or you can simply click connect, and it will attempt to automatically connect to the device on your network. You can see it says it connected to my device, and on my phone it says it's connected as well. And once it is connected on your device, you can see you have two modes, one for virtual camera and then one for set measure. I'm going to talk about set measure in another video. For now, we just want to click on virtual camera. And when you do that, immediately in shoot mode, you'll see the camera will snap to a somewhat strange position. It might take a second to jump. You can safely close this window, and you'll see now that as I rotate my device, the camera does rotate in real time as well. And on your device itself, you can see a camera-like interface that displays a live feed of the device and the camera's view. Now, once it's connected, you can open up the mobile camera tracking section on the left-hand side, and you'll see you have a bunch of options available for controlling the device itself. I'm going to go ahead and just expand that. We can toggle different types of tracking, so we can turn on and off position or rotation. We can enable smoothing. I find that a value of 4 is usually pretty good. You can change the stream frame rate and stream quality, which may be better or worse depending on your device. So you can see now with a higher frame rate, which is important to me, and a lower quality, which is less important, my tracking is now much smoother. Additionally, on the device, you can control various properties of the camera, such as the aperture, focus, and focus distance as zoom, and focal length, as well as toggle recording and capture snapshots. You can change the aspect ratio on the device of the live feed, which may be useful depending on your screen size. And if you want to change the orientation, you can click the calibrate button, which will pause tracking. You can rotate to any other angle, press it again, and now it will resume tracking from that point. And this has full positional tracking through 3D space with 6 degrees of freedom, making it very flexible. And what's cool is that now when you click the record button, it's going to be recording your actual camera motion using real handheld movement. So if I record this and then pause it and exit tracking, I can now play back my camera's motion. So all in all, this is a very flexible system that of course depends on your computer's performance as well as network speed, so keep that in mind. But once you have it connected, you can do some really cool things. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.